I once heard a commercial saying, sometimes you just have to get away. And that's what Mom and I did. We had a very short but most relaxing staycation. So let's look around together and see where we spent a few moments. The cost of a nightly hotel stay is on the rise. And so now I spend most of my time comparing the price as well as the amenities because the price is going up and the amenities are going down. So now I'm considering perhaps on my next trip staying in an Airbnb. Please comment down below and let me know if you've had a good or not so well experience in an Airbnb. So I had my breakfast, and all I need is a cup of hot tea. Mom and I enjoyed our breakfast on today with a little chit chat. And I hope you enjoyed this little short staycation with the Priceless Pearl and the real Pearl of the Johnson Ranch. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.